Yes, nation people. We see the world boss drop the polo video, you see it? But watch ya. A crazy thing we see are going right about now. In the street called dancehall. Cause right now, I see Gage run out because him say him a fire back shot from Shawn Storm. Him go a thing called tropical breeze. So when all me see all a man like Shawn Storm, they behind the bars, see? And one war multiple people are. I have to say to these jockstrap sniffers who are go on and a boots war because them claim massacre for war alkaline. I'm telling you something, man. Right now, I see two I see Gage operate. Him and Shawn Storm. Alkaline look like a big coward to me. Because if you well want a clash or you want a clash, man, you don't stay around the corner and a ass clot, tune or ass clot stone and go like you're some fucking coward. Fire shot and make people blood clot. No, say well then, they have to disappear or take bullet. You see what I say? No. And some hide and seek business you don't want to deal with. Yo, that shit that ever amaze me. But make me sound the big thing, them First Nation people. Of the world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on, man. Carefully. A franchise. The chosen one. The 10-star general. Oh, no, know what go already, you know. When we come for representing, you know. A full effecting, man. Oh, no, know what go. When we load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion but ya. Watch one man. Are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me.
You know where M&H is?
No sir. Are the most electrified man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Yeah, nation people. I saw the YouTube streets there right now. It get festive. Because a long time people are ball for war. And all of them shit there. What they are when them claim. Them a call out massacre, big time for war, and Joshie for war, Silk Boss. The world boss go White House and split the whole dance hall in a two. Everybody have a pass, say have a pass upon them war thing for a minute when the president a roam through the White House. That's what I say, and I make decision in a dance hall. And I show the direction where it's for go. That's what I say. Yeah. All of a sudden now, these little man claim say, oh the blood clot that. Yo, weird people, look. It look like Bruce Lee over there so with them nunchuck, you know. What no thing? Look like Mr. Lee over there so with them nunchuck. What? Blood clot cops them there. Blood clot, crazy guy with a ass clot, iron pipe go like Bruce Lee business, like a ninja business in that one. Weird. This guy is serious. Him no more. Madman can't do them thing, they know him no more a blood clot. New exercise there with everything. Yo, anyway, here we are going right about now. We are set right now. If these vendetta jockstrap sniffers really feel like say well then massacre need a war from alkaline or them claim say well then alkaline want war. Same like how you see Siva come out and not hesitate, my brother. Squeeze shot from people and make them know what time it is. Say a war I deal with. And no see say Gage no itch. That's what I say. Him load up, crank up instantly and fire necessary equipment. So none of them man there not deal with no gimmicks thing. Like where me hear uno vendetta jack shop sniffers around uno more, but the man them not deal with gimmicks thing. So make certain say if a war alkaline one in a dance hall it's easy for them. All they have to do is just get up and fire shot from people. You hear me? Nobody don't have to trouble you. If that you want. You see what I say? Because anything Lola wants, that's what Lola gets. So you see anything you want, you see me? You get up and you attack it. That's how we know it go. We don't come on the internet and run in the mouth and I chat all kind of shit. When alkaline himself, nah, tell you not say well then, him want a war. He might introduce somebody to a war. Who might introduce to a war? Who not see how Bumbuckler Shawn Storm do it, my brother? Eh? You know see how Shawn Storm do it? And Gage have to get up and go tropical breeze. Because I don't know Bumbuckler joke thing. Eh? It's like you don't see how Shawn Storm do it. Eh? Gage have to go tropical breeze. Because the man in a joke thing and a games thing. You see what I say? Bumbuckler we not talk about war and man now invite artists to a war, but the artist must just get up and go call him name. I wanna fucking think gonna feel like. Nobody rights are free. No free advertisement around here. You see what I say? Yeah, no free promotion. None like that Bumbuckler. You see what I say? Yeah, remember a dance hall, a bad people thing. You see me, and a joke thing. So anytime I want a war, tell him to violate the man. Musically. You see what I say, and a physical thing. So, from, when I say, Gage, right now, and Shawn Storm started, this thing really look bad for some people because here we are going. Shawn Storm there behind the bar and not afraid to take on nobody because it's a group of man. Shawn Storm violate. It's a group of man. The man turn him rascal rifle man over there. You see what I say? Yeah. And violate one whole group. You see what I say that for sure? You say, yo, him not there for no lollipop thing. The thing they want to there for some gimmicks thing. Right now, it force Gage as a lyrical artist. Right, no say. Him can't just lay back and low them things there for go on. Him have to get up and drop necessary equipment. So all of the drug shop sniffers were boots, alkaline, and I talk about massacre, most war. If you want a war, it's very easy. Behind the bar, Shawn Storm stay from an war with troops. You see me? Yeah. Meaning like one whole crew of people. You see me? No one people, and no one people in fire shot. That for sure you say him damn serious with whatever he might do. You see what I say? And that for force Gage to come out and go tropical breeze. Alkaline want a war and him thinks that somebody must get up and call him name. Nobody not see him like that, my brother. Yeah, because it's not like the guy have a neck it's not like the guy have a submission hold and dance all right now. Him don't have it. You see what I say? The submission hold when him did have him let it gone. You see what I say? Yeah, the man them counteract that long time a different thing are going on, you know say? I'm like, when I see the local youth them, eh? Youth them have the thing busy, my brother. The thing I got busy. And I don't know if I'm a gimmicks thing or a joke thing. So right now, nation people, we're going to support the polo video. Just drop. That's what I say from the world boss himself. That's what I say on paper. One thing about the war now. The kickoff between Gage and Shawn Storm. How it look to the people. Because are two lyrical artists, you know. So right now, you don't know. A wicked thing I go on in terms of like lyrics or argument to speak. And the general, the 10 star one I represent. What? Yo, you hear me? A Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10 star. General.